So we are starting with a new topic, permutations, combinations, including probability. I would like to cover everything in 3 to 4 sessions. I will be including binomial theorem as well, along with probability. So what is principle, or what are principles of counting? When you have to use or, and, those are the principles of counting. When do we use or? I'll cover 5-6 examples on the screen. So I'll have to remove some data again and again to clean the screen. If I say I have choices, if I want to go from city A to city B, and these are the roads available to me, that is road 1 or road 2 or road 3 or road 4. These roads are alternates of achieving the same task, moving from A to B. When things are alternates of each other, I can use road 1, or I can use road 2, or I can use road 3, or I can use road 4. When we use or, we add options. So I have got 4 ways in which I can go from A to B. I have 4 ways in which I can go from A to B. Let us say I have to continue journey to C, and these are the connecting roads, capital R1, R2 and R3. So similarly, B to C, I have got 3 options. Now, whenever things are happening in sequence, one after other, we use AND. I have got 4 options in which I can travel from A to B. I have got 3 options for B to C. If I go from A to B and B to C, we multiply cases. There are 12 ways I can travel through this network. Let me get more examples. Let us say a person has got glasses of different colors, golden, silver, glasses, spectacles, golden, silver, black, brown, and those he can pair with, let us say, different color shirts, black, brown, pink. So in how many ways can a person get a pair of glasses and shirt? So here glasses are alternates of each other, one option, one option, one option, one option, 4 options. Now because glasses and shirts are required, shirts have got 3 options, so answer will be 12. I'm simply trying to tell you, when do we use or? When we have alternates of doing same thing. When do we use and? When things are happening together or things are happening in sequence, one after other. Let us say you go to a party and you have got some eatables. Let us say for a variety of rice, you have got option as biryani, pulao, jeera rice, steamed rice, and for gravy you have options as dal, रायता जो कि आजकल मार्केट में फैला हुआ है, सांबर, why not? So in how many ways can you have a variety of rice and a variety of gravy? And so 4 options and 3 options. See, answer to this question, and this question is same, 4 into 3, 4 into 3, 4 into 3. But framing of the sentence, framing of the question is widely different. So write down these examples. When do we use and? When do we use or? Or are for alternates, and when things are happening together or things are happening in sequence. Comment done once you take care of this. Principles of or, principles of and. More ways if you want me to frame questions. There is Ramesh, Suresh, Harish, Chotu. These are boys. And girls, there is Veena, um, there is Pooja. Who else could be there? Poonam. If you want one boy and one girl as head boy and head girl, in how many ways can this be done? So this empty space of boy, I have got this option, this option, this option, this option. I've got 4 options. For girls, I've got this empty space. I've got 3 options. I want a boy and a girl. There are 12 ways to achieve this. See, notice in all these examples, I have not applied the formula of P and the formula of C. जब requirement होगा तब इनको use करेंगे. In counting, if answer options are in digits, numbers, it is possible to avoid the formula. That is okay. Avoid formula. Question was in how many ways can we select a head boy and a head girl from these 4 boys and 3 girls? Answer in all 5 cases is 4 into 3. So give it a try. A small question for you to try. Take 1 minute. There are 8 people available. There are 3 posts for a party: party president, party vice president, and party chaiwala. In how many ways can the post be assigned to these people? So I'm calling these people. There are 8 people: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. There are 8 people. I've got position for party president, party vice president, and chaiwala. So if I want to fill this position, I have got 8 alternates. 8 alternates. Somebody has been given the position. So now when I go for party vice president, I have got 7 alternates. Once that position is done, for party chaiwala, I have got 6 alternates. तो ऐसा क्रॉस करने से you can see alternate कम हो रहे हैं. You wanted what? You wanted party president and party vice president and chaiwala because it is and. ये multiply होंगे. So what is the product? 56 into 6. You could have done this question as 8p3, but I am saying फिर p को recall करो, p का formula लगाओ. Don't do this. ऐसे ही ठीक है. There are 8 alternates for the first position. You can start with chaiwala in mind. आपके ऊपर है, कुछ गलत नहीं है. Start from chaiwala. 8 options. President 7 options. Vice president 6 options. Options कम होते जा रहे हैं. Clear है ये? Is the example here? This is called counting. ना P लगाया ना C लगाया. Move on. Now that was one just example, just introductory example. So now when it comes to networks, what is the principle of counting? What is the example? How do we achieve this? In CAT, there have been questions earlier on a smaller scale, old exam. Let us say I want to travel from city X to city Y. You can see application of all of this in DILR as well, networks and routes. Let us say I have options. I can travel through junction A, junction B, junction C, junction D, junction E, junction F. Now I'm going to connect these in a very weird way. I want to draw this diagram at least twice. And I can show you videos online where people are saying एक एक road को manually गिन लो आंसर आ जाएगा. बेटा I'll add 1 or 2 more lines ना तो आप ना थक जाओगे एक एक road को manually गिनने में. Not possible, not going to happen. So the question will be, these are all one-way roads. These are all one-way roads. In how many ways can a person go from X to Y? One condition, one-way roads. Look at these arrows. Those are the traveling routes. So I'll just start the solution. I don't want you guys to fumble or struggle. ऐसा किया जाता है. If I'm going to reach A, I'm coming from X. There is no other way. Or rather, if I'm on this road, I can only travel through X one way. So this road carries one, this road carries one, this road carries one. Listen to the language now. Have I covered everything coming to A? Yes, there is one road coming to A. I can go forward. Have I covered everything approaching C? देखो इसको काउंट किया है क्या आपने तक? अभी तक नहीं. आप C के आगे नहीं जा सकते. Have you covered everything approaching E? देखो ये वाला कवर किया है क्या आपने अभी तक? No. तो आप आगे नहीं जा सकते E से. I have covered every road approaching A. There is one way to approach A. So if I'm standing on this road, I'm standing on this road. I'm coming from A. So this road carries value 1. This road carries value 1. This road will carry value 1. A तक आने का रास्ता 1 है तो A से निकलने का रास्ता भी will carry 1. Now have I covered everything approaching C? देखो C पे आने का सब रास्ता कवर हो गया. Yes. 1 plus 1. There are two ways to approach C. ये दोनों मिल जाएंगे. This and this will combine. Two ways. So if I leave C, I will carry the value 2. मैं जिधर भी जाऊंगा, I'll leave C, I will carry the value 2. Have I covered everything approaching B? देखो B तक आने का सब कवर हो गया. 1 plus 2, 3. So B से निकलते टाइम I will carry value 3 with me. Have I covered everything approaching D? देखो D तक सारे रोड कवर हो गए. This line, this line, this line. 2 plus 1 plus 3, 6. D तक आने के 6 ways. So when you leave D, you will carry value 6 with you. Have I covered everything approaching E? Yes. 1 plus 6, 7. जब 7 को E को लीव करेंगे, it will carry value 7. F पे 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. This will carry 15 forward. So what numbers reach Y? 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 15, 24 ways. Would you be able to do this kind of thing in exam? एक एक मैनुअली गिनोगे तो ऐसा करके X से लेके A से लेके B से लेके Y. I can show you video in which the person goes on to calculate 12 roads. बाबा क्या हो रहा है ये प्रॉपर तरीका आपके सामने आ गया. Every road carries value 1. From the starting, every road carries a value 1. Once you cover everything approaching to a point, फिर आप उसके आगे काउंट कर सकते हो. जब तक सब कुछ कवर ना हो जाए उसके आगे आप नहीं जा सकते. Complete this diagram, write down these calculations. अगर mistake हो जाए तो redraw करो. Look at those arrows. Movement of arrows is very critical. Yes, comment done for this. I hope the example is clear. Information किधर move हो रही है, किधर से हम count ले रहे हैं. If you want me to cover this with a smaller example, I can do that. This is the kind of question that is being shared online. I will just draw it for you. This is point A. This is point B. A person can only go upwards or rightwards. In how many ways can you travel on this grid? You can take upward or rightward twist or turn. In how many ways can a person travel on this grid? ये सारे junctions हैं. These are all. जैसे आपके यहाँ पता ना A, B, C, D junctions के नाम थे. These dots are the junctions. In how many ways can a person travel from A to B traveling on this grid? अगर ये grid complete होता ना, ऐसा grid होता ना, तो मैं आपको formula दे देता. There's a formula derived for this. But incomplete grid में थोड़ा सा ये method लगता है roots वाला. अब ध्यान सुनना, slow down. आप diagram draw करना है कर लो, but screen पे ध्यान दो. See, when I am at A, I can leave through this road or I can leave to this road. So both will carry value 1 for me. I will stop here. Can I say this one can take a right turn or this one can carry forward? So what is the sum of numbers? The sum of numbers is 2. So this 2 can go this side or this 2 can go upwards. Now this one can go rightwards or this one can go upwards, because you can go up or you can go right. So this 1 and 2 combined becomes 3. So that 3 can go upwards or that 3 can go forward. This is 3 and 2, 5. So that 5 can go upward and right, or that 5 can go only upwards. So what is 1 plus 3? 4. The 4 will have to go right. 4 plus 5 is 9. That 9 will have to go right. What is the total sum? 9 plus 5, 14. There are 14 ways of going from A to B. Take your time, absolutely no hurry. When you leave A, you carry 1 and 1. Then you stop at the junction. At every junction, you have to take all possible turns. Once this one arrives here, I'll wait, because there is one more one which will come from this side. मैंने क्या कहा था? You must cover every road approaching that particular point. तो ये 1 आ गया. So these two become 2. That 2 goes rightwards and that 2 goes upwards. फिर रुको यहाँ पे. 2 लेके मत चले जाना ऊपर. Stop with 2. So this one will go right, this one will go up. So that one and this 2 becomes 3. फिर ऊपर जाएगा 3. Right side जाएगा 3. 3 and 2 5. 5 ऊपर जाएगा, 5 will go right side. No hurry, take your time. अगर ऐसा grid होता, if this was a complete grid, I would give you a formula. ये लो रखो, apply करो, आगे बढ़ जाओ. So ये आपने क्या देखा? Networks and routes. These are all one-way routes. अभी टू वे रोड्स आर स्लाइटली कॉम्प्लिकेटेड एंड यूजुअली एक डायग्राम में दो या उससे ऊपर टू वे रोड नहीं होने चाहिए. So what happens in two way roads? If I say I want to go from X to Y, I'll not create the diagram as complicated the last time. Two way roads. What happens with two way roads? Now you guys comment which road do you want to be or want to make two way? Road between AB, road between AC, road between DE. Which road do you want to be two way road? If you want, I can add one more city if you want that. Let me add a city here. Which of these roads do you want to be two way roads? Comment. Let us say, let us say, let us say the road, okay, FE. Let us say the road between FE is two way. The road between FE is two way. One thing is there, you should not have a two way road in a manner it becomes an infinite loop. See, you should never have a two way road so that it becomes an infinite loop. See, I have drawn two arrows here. These are two way roads. All right. So initially, you don't look at the two way road. Don't even consider that. Don't worry about that. A, this number 1 will reach. This number 1 will go outwards. This will be 1. This will be 1. Don't go beyond. Don't go beyond F. F के आगे नहीं जाना है. अभी देखो, there's a small problem here. Without, listen to this. This is what I was suggesting. क्योंकि ये देखो यहाँ से लेके ये infinite loop बन गया. F to C, C to E, E to F. It becomes an infinite loop. ये नहीं बनना चाहिए. So let me remove this road here. This is not there. अभी देखो, from F to E, from C to D, D to E, E to F. Again, it's an infinite road. It's an infinite road. This is what I was saying, that you should not have infinite loop anywhere. इस सवाल नहीं बनेगा नहीं तो आपका. Let us say this is the diagram we have. This is the diagram we have. So see, don't leave F. Don't go forward from F. From D, there is one value reaching E. Don't go forward from E. Up this one will come back. This one will go forward. C के आगे you cannot go. Once you do this, two-way road को छोड़ के you have solved everything up to F, up to E. What is coming to F? F के ऊपर 2 आ रहा है, F के ऊपर 2 आ रहा है, E के ऊपर 1 आ रहा है. So you add both, 3. So what you will do is, you will consider the value approaching E is 3, value F approaching is 3. So it will carry 3, it will carry 3. 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3, that will carry 5. This will be 9 ways. Infinite loop बन गया तो बेटा काम खत्म हो गया ना, infinite ways हो जाएंगे वहां पे. So I had to remove some lines from the diagram. ऐसा. So whatever is the combination on the two roads, उनको add करके assign कर दो, 3 and 3. There are 9 ways of reaching from X to Y. One of the roads being two-way road. Take your time. You should be able to reach these conclusions on your own. मैंने सी वाला क्यों डिलीट किया, वो डायग्राम बना के उसे क्रॉस ऑफ करो, वो लूप कैसा बन रहा था वो नोटिस करो। Sure. Others confirm done, so we can move on. Now, factorials are usually used for all kinds of arrangements. We are focusing on linear arrangement. If I tell you I have got A and B to arrange, I can arrange as BA. If I have A, B, C, in how many ways can I arrange A, B, C? I can arrange these in 6 ways, these in 2 ways. So if I have A, B, C, D, can I actually go on arrange in this manner? No. So factorial, I'll tell you what factorial is, how do we reach there first. Why do we use factorials? Why? See, this is the first position. So I have got A, B, C, D, 4 alternates. Somebody must be given the position. Second place, I have got 3 alternates, A, C, D. Somebody must be given the position. I have got 2 alternates. I have got only 1 alternate. So I want to fill this position, and this, and this, and this. This is called a factorial. So how does the formula go? What is the sentence? What is sentence here? Arranging n different objects. There are 4 objects, 4 individuals. N different objects in a line. Number of ways are n factorial. Objects must be different. N different objects in a line. Arrangements are n factorial. So I'll suggest you guys remember some of these values. 0 factorial is 1. 1 factorial is 1. 2 factorial is 2. 3 factorial is 6. 4 factorial is 24. Numbers also we have done this. 6 factorial is 720. 7 factorial is 5040. 8 factorial is 40320. 9 factorial is 362880. 10 factorial is 3628800. Try to remember these values. Why is this one? Doesn't matter. Just remember. So if somebody says arrange 5 people in a line, 120 ways. Arrange 7 people in a line, 5040 ways. Arrange 10 people in a line, 362880 ways. Arranging people in a line. So if you want to arrange 3 people, 3 factorial, which is 6. तो ये सब नहीं करना पड़ेगा आपको, मैन्युअली चेक करने वाले काम. How did we reach this conclusion? पहला position there are 4 options. दूसरा position there are 3 options, and so on, so on, so on. So I did this from the objective of places. Can I reach the same answer if I consider people? If I ask A, take a place. So A will say extreme left, extreme right, second left. So every place has a definition. What is that? Extreme left, extreme right. A has got 4 choices. Once A gets placed, B has got three options. Once B gets placed, C has got two options. D has one option. So it does not matter whether you are solving it through people or through places, answer must match. ध्यान देना, every place has a definition. ये याद रखना, when I cover advanced level PNC, ये काम आएगा मुझे. Every place has its own definition. Every place is unique. Moving on, guys. When some of the objects are same, what do we do? So if I say I have to arrange A, B, C, D, E. So how many alphabets do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Generally speaking, there should be 6 factorial ways. But when you look at these two, forget others. How many will these two contribute to factorial? Listen to my language. When we remove arrangements, we divide. I am removing the arrangement of these two. If I have A, B, 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 C, D, ऐसा कुछ आ गया. Arrangement जानना है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There should be 7 factorial arrangements. Ways to put. But how many will these two contribute? There are two identical. 2 factorial. How many will these contribute? See, I am removing arrangement. ये wording use करना है, removing arrangements. Removing identity कर दो, ऐसा करो, removing identity भी लिख दो. Removing identity. आपने जब 7 फैक्टोरियल लिखा तो आपने इमेजिन किया ये अलग अलग है, लेकिन ये दोनों सेम है, तो आप उनकी आइडेंटिटी रिमूव कर रहे हो. When you wrote 7 factorial तो आपने इनको B1, B2, B3 अलग अलग इमेजिन कर लिया, but they are same. So you are removing their identity. Removing arrangement लिख दो ब्रैकेट में, removing identity भी लिख दो ब्रैकेट में. So when some of the objects are same, we remove their identity. We remove their arrangements. Moving on, very elementary stuff. Now there have been questions earlier where people are together, people are not together. What do we do? So I'll start with small numbers. let us say there are A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H, 8 people. Condition says A and B must be together. So what you do is you count A and B as this and you count others individually, C, D, E, F, G, H. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. When people are together, you bracket them, count them 1. So 7 factorial arrangements are there. A and B will go as a group. When you say they are together, can I rearrange them within the group? Yes, this is for arranging A and B. If the question says A, B and C should be together, so you combine them A, B, C. और हर बार लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, देखो ऐसा करो, out of 8 3 are gone, remaining are 5, but उस 5 में एक ग्रुप आ जाएगा, 5 में एक ग्रुप आ जाएगा, तो 6 factorial. So 6 factorial. Can I rearrange ABC within the group? So that 3 factorial is for ABC. So when things are together, let us say if the question says A से लेके Z तक सबको arrange करना है, सबको, but vowels are together. How many vowels you have? 5. तो 26 minus 5. उसमें ये as a group join कर जाएगा. Can I rearrange these 5? Yes. ऐसा. तो फॉर्मूले नहीं रटने हैं, जिनको भी टुगेदर होना है, you take them aside, club them as one, उनको माइनस करके +1 आएगा. ये +1 क्यों आएगा? बिकॉज दे आर ज्वाइनिंग बैक एज अ ग्रुप. तो ये +1 हमेशा आएगा. फैक्टोरियल और बाकी का अरेंजमेंट कर दो. राइट डाउन ऑल 3 एग्जांपल्स व्हेन थिंग्स आर टुगेदर. What was this example? I am arranging all the alphabets of English alphabet. Vowels must be together. Done. When people or things are not together, what do we do? So if the question goes like this, the people are A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. It says A and B are not together. Or please follow the language. No two of A, B, C are together. ऐसा लैंग्वेज. कोई भी दो साथ नहीं हो सकते. अब पीपल कहेंगे सर तीनों साथ हो गए. बेटा तीनों में दो लोग साथ में हो गए ना. No two can be together. So what do we do in all such questions? So जो ऐसी बातें करता I don't want to be with the other person, उनको दोनों को साइड कर दो. Arrange others. C, D, E, F, G and H. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I can arrange them in 6 factorial ways. Forget chair kidhar. Don't worry about chairs. I can arrange them in 6 factorial ways. Now, how many empty spots are there? How many empty spots do you get? Counting before and after, there are 7 empty spots. So A can occupy any of these 7 positions. Let us say A इधर आ गया. अब ये जो मैंने blue dot लगाया है तो A के adjacent नहीं है. तो B has got how many options? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. B has got 6 options. So in this many ways you can arrange them. If it says no two can be together, D, E, F, G and H. How many are there? 5. I can arrange them in 5 factorial ways. Now, how many empty spots you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There will always be one spot more. 5 people have been arranged. एक ज़्यादा spot है. देखो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 लोग बैठ गए. तो how many spots do you have? 7 spots. वैसे ही 5 लोग बैठे हैं तो how many spots I have? 6 empty spots I have. तो A के आने के पास 6 ऑप्शंस हैं. B के 5 ऑप्शंस हैं. C के 4 ऑप्शंस हैं. So they are not together. माइनस वाला मेथड मत यूज करो, उसमें मिस्टेक्स होते हैं, फ्लॉज हैं. टुगेदर करके माइनस कर देंगे. डोंट डू दैट. Complete this. Comment done. Confirm done. चलो try. Take 2 minutes. Solve. comment answers. There are 5 boys and 4 girls to be arranged in a row. No 2 girls should stand together. In how many ways can the arrangement be done? Because there are 5 boys, B, 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 and B. Condition is on girls, so first you arrange boys. There are 5 boys, so 5 factorial ways. Now when I ask the first girl, go take up a place, go take a position here. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So first girl has got 6 places to choose from, to pick from. Second girl will have 5 options. Third girl will have 4 options. This is girl 2, this is girl 3, and the fourth girl will have 3 options. Multiply these. That is your answer. Do you see any option that looks like this? 5 factorial into 6543. See, because there is 5 here and there is 5 here, तो 5 दो बार दिखना चाहिए था आपको. 5 एक एक बार है सब में. So answer is none of these. This is your final answer. When people are not together, आप पहले गैप्स क्रिएट कर दो और बाद में गैप्स काउंट कर लेना. Try. Very small variations, 1 minute worth each question. Considering the level of cat, थोड़ा और कॉम्प्लिकेट कर देंगे इसमें. आपसे बोल देंगे all the girls are together, but boys named Ramesh and Suresh can never be adjacent. तो एक लेयर ऐड करेंगे. Knowing the cat, seeing the cat nowadays, और थीटा सवाल रहेगा ये. So in this case, you imagine B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. Boys have no restrictions, but all the girls will go together as a group. तो 6 लोग हो गए, 6 factorial. 6 लोग हो गए. All the girls are within this group. How many girls? 4. Can the girls be rearranged? Yes. तो ये आपका आंसर है. 6 factorial into 4 factorial. There are 5 boys and 4 girls to be arranged in a row. All the girls should stand together. In how many ways can this be done? तो जो together होता है उसे हम एक गिन लेते हैं. इस एक के अलावा 5 लड़के और हैं. 6 factorial. And girls can be rearranged within that group. So for that 4 factorial. None of these. Try. इसका आंसर मुझे डिजिट्स में चाहिए, नॉट इन फैक्टोरियल्स, डिजिट्स. Comment answers. This is all theory. This is all fundamental. ये खाली repeat कर रहे हैं आपके लिए जो आपने सीखा है अभी तक. In how many ways can 5 boys and 5 girls be arranged in a row? Girls and boys have to be alternate. In how many ways can the arrangement be done? So it can be B, G, B, G, B, G, B, G, B, G. Boys can interchange their position, 5 factorial. Girls can interchange their position among themselves, 5 factorial. It is also possible that the arrangement was GB, 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 girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy. So it can be either this or this. तो alternate होता है तो we add, तो ये 2 आ जाएगा. What is this 2 for? The first place. First place is either a boy or a girl. इसलिए आपने यहाँ 2 लगा दिया. So what is 5 factorial? 120. What is 5 factorial? 120 into 2. 120 square 144. 144 in double 28800. That's your answer. बढ़ते हैं इनसे आगे. Let me know you understood this. Alternate खाए. Guys, comment done. These examples have been kept here so that you see the small variations in the language, how to approach based upon those variations. So try this. Try this. there are 5 boys and 5 girls to be arranged in a row. If girls and boys have to be alternate, in how many ways can the arrangement be done? If Seema needs to be before Reema, Seema needs to be before Reema. तो देखो अभी आपने जो आंसर लाया था, दिस वाज द आंसर फॉर व्हाट? बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स अरेंज ऑल्टरनेटिवली. इसमें क्या था? बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स आगे पीछे हो सकते हैं. सो ऑब्जर्व, माय फोकस इज ओनली ऑन सीमा एंड रीमा. Seema needs to be before Reema. Can I say wherever they are? Wherever they are, there are two possibilities. Seema आगे है, Reema पीछे है, Reema आगे है, Seema पीछे. There are only two possibilities. So out of these two, only one is valid. बस ये करना है आपको. There is only one valid way. ये cancel, आपका आंसर ये आ गया. I can complicate this by applying P as well as C. आपने सिर्फ ये कहा Seema must be before Reema. How much before तो आपने कहा नहीं. कुछ टेंशन मत लो, कुछ कॉम्प्लिकेट मत करो. आप ऐसे अरेंज कर लो, there are no Seema Reema. There are no Seema Reema. तो आपका आंसर आता है यहाँ तक का. Your answer would be up to this point. 5 factorial, 5 factorial, 2 factorial. Boys and girls in first place. First place. Now we are saying क्योंकि सीमा मस्ट बी बिफोर रीमा, तो एक पॉसिबिलिटी सीमा आगे रीमा पीछे, एक ई आगे पीछे. तो इन दो में से देयर इज ओनली वन वैलिड. दैट्स योर आंसर. ये समझे तो लेट मी नो. Is the example clear? Moving on. Try. Be quick. In probably the third session, we'll see advanced concepts like distribution, group formation, a little bit of solving inequalities, numbers based inequalities through PNC. The question says, in how many ways can the word or letters of the word arrest be arranged such that vowels appear in the correct alphabetical order? Only vowels are A and E. आप केवल ये कह रहे हो A पहले आना चाहिए E से. तो देखो अभी आपने बनाया था रीमा सीमा वाला सवाल. So take inspiration. How many alphabets I have got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 factorial. उसमें से कितने एक जैसे हैं? 2 एक जैसे हैं. अभी आपने क्या कंडीशन बोल दी? A should be before E. Does it say कितना before? No. So A before और E before. There are only two arrangements between them. उन दोनों में से एक काउंट करना है आपको. What is 6 factorial? 120 upon 4, 30. There are 30 ways. 6 factorial is 720. देखो जल्दबाजी का नतीजा 720 upon 4, 180. इसीलिए मैं करता रिमेंबर फैक्टोरियल्स. 5 factorial is 120. फिर से एक बार सुनो. Vowels must be in the correct order, alphabetical order. A comes before E. हमें A आगे चाहिए. A और E के अरेंजमेंट दो ही होते हैं. Out of those two, one is correct. Guys, comment done. We'll move on. Chalo. There are 4 fielders, 2 bowlers, 1 captain who have to be seated in a row for a meeting such that the 2 bowlers are on either side of the captain. In how many ways can they be seated? Aram socho. So far you have not used the formula of P and the formula of C. Everything is counting. Counting or factorial. Chalo, batao. In how many ways can you arrange 4 fielders, 2 bowlers, 1 captain in a row? In a row would mean in a line, such that the 2 bowlers sit adjacent or on either side of the captain. So what you do is, one way is आप arrangement मन में रख के शुरू करो. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 4 plus 2 plus 1 7 places. कैप्टन, क्योंकि कैप्टन के आसपास 2 लोग बैठेंगे, तो कैप्टन कैन नॉट बी हियर, कैप्टन कैन नॉट बी हियर. तो कैप्टन हैज गॉट 6 choices. कैप्टन हैज गॉट 5 choices. एक बार कैप्टन साहब बैठ गए, कैन आई से यहां और यहां पे बॉलर्स आएंगे. लेट अस से बॉलर्स आर B1, B2, B2, B1. तो बॉलर्स के 2 वेज हो गए बैठने के. बाकी सब हमें फर्क नहीं पड़ता. हाउ मेनी अदर्स आर देयर? 1 2 3 4. So 4 factorial for others. 5 into 2 10, 10 into 4 factorial 240. ये कैसे शुरू किया हमने? We focused on the position first. Another way, let us say captain is C, bowlers are B1, B2, B1, B2, B2, B1. ये जहां जाएंगे साथ जाएंगे, ये जहां जाएंगे साथ जाएंगे. इनके अलावा कौन से हैं फील्डर? फील्डर 1, फील्डर 2, फील्डर 3 एंड फील्डर 4. तो ये 1 plus 4 5 factorial ways. 5 factorial ways. उसमें can I rearrange these two within that? Yes. So what is 5 factorial? 120 into 2, 240. जब तक आप फंडामेंटली कोई मिस्टेक नहीं कर रहे हो, आंसर्स मैच होंगे. आप मेथड कैसा भी ले लो. पहला मेथड क्या है? आई फोकस ऑन प्लेस, कि कैप्टन किधर जाए, कि कैप्टन के आसपास लोग चाहिए, तो कंडीशन प्राइमरी कैप्टन के ऊपर है, प्राइमरी कंडीशन. अनदर वे, बिकॉज कैप्टन के आसपास बॉलर्स हैं, तो आई एम थिंकिंग मोर लाइक अ ग्रुप. दीज 3 विल गो एज अ ग्रुप ऑफ 3 जहां जाएंगे. तो दोनों से देखो आंसर डिड नॉट चेंज, आंसर डज नॉट चेंज. Guys, done with this? Communicate guys, communicate. We need to pick up some pace. Try. बड़ा जल्दी हो जाएगा, बहुत एग्जाम्पल कर लिया आपने. No to S can come together. No to S can come together. Very good. देखो, I don't want S to be together. So look at these. T, R, E. T, R, E. They can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. Now, when I talk about S, 1, 2, 3, 4, the first one has got 4 options. The second one has got 3 options. The last one has got 2 options. Now, you remember when things are together, what do? We take away their identity. There is no first, second S. They are all the same. So this 3 factorial is to remove the identity. Cancelled, cancel. 4, 3, 2, 24. Job done. Very good. Moving on. Now, linear arrangement with numbers. The question would say, how many 4-digit numbers can be formed with 1, 2, 3, 4? How many 4-digit numbers can be formed? Without repetition, mention करेगा. तो 4 factorial. If one of the digits is 0, छोटे छोटे वेरिएशन है, प्लेसमेंट ऑफ 0 वाला एग्जांपल आगे रखा है मैंने, तो सिंपली ऐसे एक सेकंड में कर लो. इट इज अरेंजमेंट. आपके पास अगर नंबर्स हैं 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, how many 4-digit numbers can be formed? 4-digit numbers विदाउट रिपीटेशन. तो क्या करोगे आप? 1, 2, 3, 4. यहाँ बैठने कितने ऑप्शंस हैं? 6 ऑप्शंस हैं. 6 ऑप्शंस. एक काम कर दो, डोंट राइट 5, नीचे ऑप्शंस लिख रहे हैं. हाउ मेनी ऑप्शंस आर देयर? 5 ऑप्शंस. एक काम कर दो. हाउ मेनी ऑप्शंस डू आई हैव? I have got 4 options. एक कम कर दो. So it works exactly like alphabets or people. ये आपका आंसर है. 5 into 4 20, 20 into 12 240. Let us not spend too much time on this. Arranging numbers without repetition factorial से हो जाएगा. 4 नंबर 4 डिजिट factorial. 6 नंबर 4 डिजिट तो people जैसे आप बिठाते हो, A को बिठाया, there are 5 options 4 options, कम करते जाओ. Comment done. Very easy stuff, guys. Very easy stuff. Now, with repetition, now see, if somebody says digits are 1, 2, 3, 4, How many 4-digit numbers can be formed? How many 4-digit numbers can be formed? Nothing else is said. Nothing else is said. So repetition is counted by default because 1 1 is a number, 2 2 2 is a number. When you say how many numbers can be formed, repetition allowed है, बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. It is considered by default. So see, this place can be any one of these, either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. 4 options. Again 4 options. Again 4 options. Again 4 options. How many 4-digit numbers can be formed with these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many 4-digit numbers can be formed? So you don't have to tell me repetition wala. It is considered by default. Numbers में repetition is allowed by default. लिखा हो तो और अच्छी बात है. So first place can be occupied by any 6. Second place can be occupied by any 6, any 6, any 6. In numbers, by default repetition is considered. Without है तो बताएगा आपको. In numbers, by default repetition is considered. Moving on, I hope you guys are writing this. Done. Moving on. Now, placement of 0 is critical because when you say it is a 4-digit number, 0 cannot be in the first place. So it is very important if I say how many 4-digit numbers can be formed? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many 4-digit numbers can be formed with these without repetition? इसमें थोड़ा सा ना मैनुअल एक वर्क आ जाता है. So see, you have got number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5 है, digit हमें 4 चाहिए. 0 cannot come here. So I have got 4 options. 4 options. Let us say I have used this number. I have used this number. Now can 0 come in the next place? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 options. Let us say I have used 1. How many options are there? 3 options and 2 options. Lot of people solve this reverse. वो सारा का सारा calculate करके फिर 0 को आगे रख के माइनस करते हैं. If that works for you, do it. 16 into 6, 96 numbers are there. मैंने क्या कहा था? Without repetition उसको highlight करना. Without repetition को highlight करना. So don't allow 0 in the first place. That is the only thing I want you guys to learn from this. Minus वाला approach आपको सीखना, you can do that. Total possible number निकाल लो. Don't worry about 0. फिर 0 को आगे रख के आप माइनस कर देना. Guys, done? अब डिविजिबिलिटी कंडीशन डिपेंड्स, थोड़ा सा ओवरलैप आता है कैट में, क्वेश्चंस 2-3 बार आ चुके हैं। अगर आपसे कोई बोले डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 4, तो व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज केवल आखिरी के 2 प्लेस पे ध्यान देना है। somebody says divisibility by 6, तो आपको 2 का अलग सॉल्व करना है एंड 3 का अलग सॉल्व करना है। I'll show you a question based on divisibility from CAT। कोई अगर बोलते divisibility by 8, तो what you need to do is आखिरी के 3 प्लेस हैंडल करना है। कोई बोलते divisibility by 9, तो what is the rule? Divisibility by 9, the rule is addition of digits must be divisible by 9, if you remember the outcome। So can I see, अगर एक बार addition divisible हो गया तो अरेंजमेंट कोई भी रहे, arrangement is 4 factorial। Like divisibility by 3 is also addition of digits। I will show you examples, don't worry, enough examples are there। तो 3 और 9 का एडिशन ऑफ डिजिट्स होता है, 4 का, 8 का, 2 का, लास्ट के 1 प्लेस, 2 प्लेस, 3 प्लेस होता है। थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन जो आपको मॉक्स में दिख रहा होगा, मॉक्स में दैट इज 11 का डिविजिबल बनाना है। 11 का डिविजिबल बनाना है, कुछ रैंडम नंबर दिए रहेंगे। इन हाउ मेनी वेज कैन द नंबर फॉर्म बिकम divisible by 11? Try। You want to try this? Complete this, then we'll move on to the next slide। Guys, done? Try this। Be very careful about the words, the language, description of numbers. Be very careful। How many natural numbers can be formed using any or all digits of these? You can use all digits or you can use any. Digits being used maximum once। Digits being used maximum once। डिजिट अगर यूज होंगे तो मैक्सिमम एक बार होंगे और उससे ऊपर नहीं होंगे। So I can create 1 digit number, 2 digit number, 3 digit number, 4 digit number और 5 digit number। अगर 5 digit number तो इनको अरेंज करना है 5 factorial। अब अगर 4 digit number है, 4 digit number है, तो फर्स्ट प्लेस आई हैव गॉट 5 ऑप्शंस। Then I have got 4 options, 3 options, 2 options. 432 is 120. 5 factorial is 120. If I want 3-digit number, it can be any one of these 5. Others can be 4 and 3, 5, 4, 3, 60 numbers. 2-digit numbers, 5 into 4, 20, and 1 digit there are 5 numbers possible. So your answer should be 120 plus 120, 240, 240 plus 60, 300, 325. I can use any or all digits. At most once. I cannot repeat them. Repetition is not allowed. Any or all digits I can use out of the given 5. Guys, confirm the answer. Approach is clear to you. Try. Quick. 1 minute. Using digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, how many 3-digit numbers can be formed if repetition of digits is not allowed? 3-digit numbers. I've got 5 options for this. I've got 4 options for this. I've got 3 options for this. How many 3-digit numbers can be formed if repetition is not allowed? Done. 5 into 4 into 3, 60. Using these digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, how many 4-digit multiples of 4 can be formed if repetition of digits is not allowed? It's a theta problem. कैट वाले ये कर रहे हैं पिछले कुछ साल से. PNC people panic, they fear. तो क्वेश्चन थीटा डालेंगे विद कैलकुलेशंस. So take 2 minutes, try. In such questions where you have to arrange something manually or select something manually, थोड़ा sequence wise करना आपको. What do we mean by that? Divisibility of 4 depends upon the last two places. I have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Repetition is not allowed. So I'm focusing on these two and I'll go step by step. Is 1, 2 a multiple of 12? Yes. Is 1, 3 a multiple? No. 1, 4 a multiple? No. 1, 5 a multiple? No. 1 को यहाँ रख के सब हो गया. If I imagine 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, देखो I will not miss anything like this. 2, 5, 2 वाले सारे हो गए यहाँ पे. 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 6, not possible. 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, not possible. 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 4, 5, 3, not possible. So once I fix the two numbers, ये दो चले गए. Now any one of these three can come here. Any two can come here. तो 12 की ending वाले there are 6 numbers. 6 numbers have 12 in the end. Similarly, by same logic observation, there will be 6 numbers here. There will be 6 numbers here ending with 32. There will be 6 numbers here. So how many numbers will be there? 24 numbers, which are multiples of 4 out of digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guys, confirm this. Go step by step. Start with 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. 1 वाले सारे हो गए. 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5 सारे हो गए. 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 5. ऐसा step by step करो. Once you use any two numbers, आपने कोई भी दो नंबर यूज कर लिए, तो आपके पास बचे 3 नंबर्स हैं और 2 नंबर्स हैं, तो हर बार 6 पॉसिबिलिटीज आएंगे. Try this. Take 2 minutes. No help from my side. Take 2 minutes. नहीं, आंसर काफी बड़ा आएगा आपका इसमें, क्योंकि what is allowed, repetition is allowed. So go step by step. 1, 1, no. 1, 2, yes. 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, no, no, no. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, yes. 32, Please pay attention. 44, 52. Now it says repetition is allowed. If repetition is allowed, I have got 5 options here and 5 options here. ये दोनों fix हो गए ना? I don't care. ये दोनों fix हो गए. 12. There are 25 numbers. तो इसके भी कितने numbers आएंगे? 25, 25, 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. एक और 25. Total numbers will be 125 numbers. Repetition has been allowed. 4-digit multiples of 4 that can be formed using these digits. पहला part is same. 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 चेक कर लिया. 2 1 2 2 repetition is allowed. 2 2 वो भी चेक करना है. 2 3 2 4 2 5 चेक कर लिया. 3 1 3 2 3 3 3 4 3 5. तो आपका एक नया नंबर बनेगा 4 4. ये हमने लास्ट टाइम नहीं कंसिडर किया था बिकॉज रिपीटेशन वाज नॉट देयर. अभी है. "25 numbers end with a 12, 25 numbers end with a 24, 25 numbers end with a 32. ऐसा. Guys, confirm this. Moving on. अभी क्या चाहिए? मल्टीपल ऑफ 3. मल्टीपल ऑफ 3 किस पे डिपेंड करता है? एडिशन ऑफ डिजिट्स पे. तो एक कॉमन सेंस वाला अप्रोच सोचो. इफ आई गिव यू 5 नंबर्स, उसमें से अलग अलग करके 4 नंबर सेलेक्ट करना आपके लिए आसान है या एक नंबर रिमूव करना आपके लिए आसान है? थिंक फ्रॉम बोथ साइड्स. अगर यहीं पर 5 में से मेरे को बोले 3 नंबर सेलेक्ट करो या 2 रिजेक्ट करो, आई विल से 2 रिजेक्ट करना आसान है क्योंकि 2 नंबर जल्दी पकड़े जाएंगे. सो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज, क्योंकि यू नीड 4 डिजिट एंड रिपीटेशन इज नॉट अलाउड, सो व्हाट आई विल डू इज 1 + 2 + 3 + 4 + 5. ये क्या है? ऑलरेडी मल्टीपल ऑफ 15 है. ये ऑलरेडी मल्टीपल ऑफ 15 है, मल्टीपल ऑफ 3 है. अब मुझे एक नंबर को रिजेक्ट करके 3 का मल्टीपल बनाए रखना है. कैन आई से आई विल रिजेक्ट 3. 1 + 2 + 4 + 5 is 12. आपको क्या चाहिए? 3 का मल्टीपल. 3 का मल्टीपल कब बनता है? जब एडिशन डिविजिबल बाय 3 हो जाता है. आप अगर कोई और नंबर रिमूव करोगे, आप अगर 1 को रिमूव करके ये 14 बन जाएगा, पॉसिबल नहीं है। 2 को रिमूव नहीं कर सकते, इट इज ऑलरेडी अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 3, तो आपको 3 का मल्टीपल ही रिमूव करना है, देयर इज ओनली वन पॉसिबिलिटी। तो ये एडिशन कितना है इसका, 12 मल्टीपल ऑफ 3। अब मैं इन चारों को मेरी मर्जी कैसे भी अरेंज करूं, लेट्स कंफर्म दिस। देयर इज नो अदर पॉसिबिलिटी, यही नंबर है 1 2 4 5। इस क्वेश्चन में अगर रिपीटेशन अलाउ कर देगा, at this stage I do not think you and I should be trying that question. रिपीटेशन अलाउ हो गया, it could be 1 1 2 2, एडिशन is 6, मल्टीपल है 1 1 2 5 9, मल्टीपल है, तो बहुत केस बनेंगे। चलो मूविंग ऑन। दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन यू कैन सी इन कैट नाउअडेज। ये कैट का रेप्लिका है। Read the language, break it down to your level of understanding and solve. How many 4-digit numbers that are formed using digits 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 have at least one digit repeated in it? At least one digit repeated in it. See, when you say कम से कम एक digit repeat होना चाहिए, कौन सा repeat होना चाहिए और कितने बार, you did not tell me. See, I could have 1 1 2 3, I could have 1 2 2 3, I could have 1 1 2 2 also, I could have 1 1 1 2. कौन सा डिजिट रिपीट करेगा और कितनी बार, आपने ये नहीं बताया, दैट्स अ प्रॉब्लम। इनको तो लॉजिकली बनाओ। आप ना ये कंडीशन पे ध्यान मत दो। आई वांट 4 डिजिट नंबर। अभी कितने ऑप्शन है मेरे पास? 0 कैन नॉट बी इन द फर्स्ट पोजीशन, क्योंकि 4 डिजिट चाहिए। 0 कैन नॉट बी इन द फर्स्ट पोजीशन। तो मेरे पास 6 नंबर्स हैं, 1 2 3 4 5 6। आई हैव गॉट 6 ऑप्शंस। नाउ लेट अस से 2 हैज बीन यूज्ड। कैन आई यूज 0 नाउ? यस, मेरे पास अभी 6 ऑप्शंस हैं। Let us say 5 has been used. मेरे पास 5 ऑप्शंस हैं। 1 has been used, मेरे पास 4 ऑप्शंस हैं। तो 6 6 5 4 अगर आप देखो, 6 6 5 4, that is 36 into 20। तो 720 नंबर्स हैं, इनमें रिपीटेशन हो गया। रिपीटेशन हो गया, एक बार हो, दो बार हो, आई डोंट केयर। अब क्योंकि आपने कहा कम से कम एक रिपीट करना है, कैन आई से ऑल पॉसिबिलिटी? अरे ये तो मैंने आपका नॉन रिपीट बना लिया। दिस इज नॉन रिपीट, दिस इज नॉन रिपीट। मैंने कोई डिजिट रिपीट नहीं किया, दिस इज नॉन रिपीट। अगर रिपीटेशन अलाउ होता, 4 नंबर चाहिए ना, 4 डिजिट चाहिए। 0 आगे आ नहीं सकता, 0 कैन नॉट बी इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस। मेरे पास 6 ऑप्शंस हैं, अब कोई भी आ जाए मुझे क्या करना, तो 7 क्यूब इंटू 6, 7 क्यूब इंटू 6, that is 343 into 6, 8, 24 plus 1 5, 18 plus 2 20। ये नंबर रहेंगे ऑल काइंड्स, इसमें रिपीटेशन आ गया। टोटल पॉसिबिलिटी इज माइनस नॉन रिपीट, टोटल पॉसिबिलिटी माइनस नॉन रिपीट, ये कर दो, टोटल पॉसिबिलिटी माइनस नॉन रिपीट। तो एटलीस्ट एक रिपीट तो करेगा। 8 minus 0 8, 5 minus 2 3, 20 minus 3 13। There are 1338 numbers in which at least one digit will repeat. इसको लिखो, टेक योर टाइम, ऑब्जर्व क्या कर रहे हैं। पहले हमें निकालना चाहिए ऑल पॉसिबिलिटीज। ऑल पॉसिबिलिटीज आर 6 into 7 क्यूब 2058। उसमें से क्या माइनस कर रहे हैं, नॉन रिपीट वाले। तो कम से कम एक डिजिट रिपीट करेगा, कौन सा, आई डोंट केयर, कहां पर करेगा, आई डोंट केयर, बट रिपीट करेगा, दैट इज फॉर श्योर। Guys, confirm done. We'll move on. What is the catch here? आपने कहा कम से कम एक नंबर रिपीट करे, कौन सा और कितनी बार, did not tell me. So I reversed the approach. I said count all possibilities, count no repetition, minus कर दो. This is cat replica. ऐसे क्वेश्चन आपको कैट में देखने मिलेंगे आप. Now, how does it matter when we arrange things in a line, when we arrange things in a circle? So when I ask you to arrange 4 people in a line, I ask A, take a position. So A will say extreme left, extreme right, second right, third right. So every place is defined. So A has got 4 options, B has got 3 options, C has got 2 options, D has got 1 option. When you arrange things on a circle, now first of all, because you are looking at as a page or as a screen, आप इसे नहीं कहते आपका place है ये, no. If I rotate this, it will become down place, it will become second, third place. So in a circle, there is no opening, there is no ending, there is no left, there is no right. So when I ask A, I can ask anyone, go take your position. Listen to this. What A will say is, when I come to this position, I have one right place, one left place, one opposite. When I come to this place, I have one left place, right place, and opposite. When I come to this place, I see the same thing. There is a left place, right place, and opposite. So first person feels they are all identical. First person feels they're all identical. So first person feels मेरे को एक ही choice है. This place is same as this place is same as this place and this place. All places are identical. So first person has only one way. एक बार first person बैठ गया कि I am getting very positive vibes here. Now there is a place on the left of A. There's a place on the right of A. There's a place opposite to A. अब जब B जाएगा तो B has got three choices. There's a definition: right, left, opposite of A. B is here. Now C has two choices. D has one choice. So do you see, earlier it was 4 factorial. क्योंकि पहले person का placement does not matter. I want to write this down. Placement of the first person does not matter. In a circle, placement of first person does not matter. So do you see 8 factorial कम हो गया ना? ये लोग हैं. These are people being arranged. So they are not tied. आपको कोई बोले I want to arrange 8 people on a circle. आपका आंसर होगा 7 factorial. Done. आपसे कोई बोले we want to arrange 10 people on a circle, equally spaced, same chairs. तो आपका आंसर होगा 9 factorial. N things, n minus 1 factorial. ठीक है टाइम, mention this. Things are not tied. उसको थोड़ा highlight करना. Not tied का मतलब क्या है? We'll talk about this. बंधे हुए नहीं है सर, इसका मीनिंग क्या है? What is the meaning of this? Guys, done with this? Now what happens when things are tied? How does it differ? अब देखो, if I ask you to arrange people, आपने लोगों को arrange किया A, B, C, D. They are having a meeting, or maybe they are eating food, or doing both. खाते खाते they are having meeting, the best kind of meetings. Now can I flip over A on its head? Can I flip over B on its head? Can I flip over C on its head? Can I flip over the left side on the right side? No, they are people. But imagine you are creating bracelets. You are creating something which is tied. So please observe, let me be creative here. I'm using red circle here, green here, let us say white here, and yellow here. Can I flip over this bracelet? Can I switch it over? Do you feel that this looks like a new bracelet? This is green, guys. This is green. Let me change the color to a darker green. This is green. This is green, and this is yellow. Can I say this has been flipped over, but it is the same bracelet? It is not a new arrangement. So what we say is the clockwise arrangement overlaps the anti-clockwise. When you go clockwise, it is what? Red, green, white, yellow. When you go anti-clockwise, it is red, green, white, yellow. So clockwise, anti-clockwise are same when things are tied. It's a bracelet, it's a garland, or something else which is tied. So half of the arrangements do not matter. Half of the arrangements are repeating. Four objects, arrangement should be 4 minus 1 factorial. Half of them are gone. So 3 factorial by 2. There are three ways you can arrange them. There are only three ways in which you can arrange them. So if there are n objects tied in a circle, n minus 1 factorial by 2. N objects are tied here. चीजें बंधी हुई हैं. This is how you count arrangements. बाकी सब सेम है. Things are together, not together. A is before B, B is after A. वो सारा सेम कॉन्सेप्ट जो आपने लाइंस में सीखा वही लगेगा यहाँ पे. So I have recreated some of those questions for a circular arrangement. Copy this, comment done. Things are tied. Things can be flipped over. Arrangement become half. Yes, confirmation on this. Everyone confirm. चलो. So same conditions, exact same approach. Some of them are together, तो आप उनको count करके one कर दोगे and so on so on. When they are never together, तो what you do is आप arrange करके उसमें gap गिनोगे and so on so on. Same approach. केवल एक factorial आपको कम लगेगा. You will need one factorial less for this. So try this question. How does this change on a circle? तो क्या करना है इसमें? चार फील्डर्स, दो बॉलर्स, एक कैप्टन को बिठाना है ऑन अ सर्कल such that the two bowlers sit on either side of the captain. Captain is the key figure here. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पांच, छह और सात। 7 people, 7 places, equally space assume करना है, ideal assume करना है. Now, because captain is the one for which conditions are there. Do you remember my sentence? Placement of the first person does not matter. Placement of the first person does not matter. कैप्टन कहीं भी आकर बैठ जाए, कैप्टन को एक ही पॉसिबिलिटी दिखेगा, बिकॉज एट द बिगिनिंग ऑल प्लेसेस आर सेम. कैप्टन बैठ गया. अब कैन आई से बॉलर 1 यहाँ पे, बॉलर 2 यहाँ पे और रिवर्सल. देयर आर 2 पॉसिबिलिटीज फॉर बॉलर्स. अब बाकी बचे 1 2 3 4, बाकी बचे 4 फैक्टोरियल, क्योंकि पहले वाले फील्डर को 4 ऑप्शंस रहेंगे, अगले वाले को 3, फिर 2, फिर 1. सो 4 फैक्टोरियल इंटू 2, देयर आर 48 ways. 48 ways इज द आंसर. कैप्टन को पहले बिठा दो. यू अरेंज कैप्टन फर्स्ट. एक बार कैप्टन बैठ गया, बॉलर्स आर एडजेसेंट, वो आप देख लो अपने हिसाब से. Done with this? Try. Well, this is not exactly circular one, but we are doing arrangements and selections, so go on. In how many ways is it possible to choose a white square and a black square on a chessboard so that the squares must not lie in the same row or column? So this question assumes you know how a chessboard is printed or designed. क्या language है? In how many ways can you select a white and a black square which are not in the same row column? देखो आपको ये पता होगा, chessboard is created with 8 by 8 grid, 8 cross 8 grid. If I look at it horizontally, there are going to be 8. How many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. There are going to be 8 boxes horizontal and 8 boxes vertical. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8. So horizontally, whenever you see out of these 8, 4 are going to be white and 4 are going to be black. So see, right now what I have is, I have 32 options which are white. I can pick any white box. I can pick any white box. Let us say this is that white box that I have selected. If this is white, this will be black, 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 and black. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. This will be black, 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 and black. So these are no longer viable options. आपके पास black के भी option कितने होंगे? Black, there are 32 options, but it should not be the same row column. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Out of these, 8 options are gone for you. So 32 into 24 should be your answer. So 2 into 4 ends with a 8. There's only one answer option large enough ending with a 8. There are 32 white boxes. There are 32 black boxes. आप शुरू black से करोगे, totally up to you. I was only trying to show you कि black वाले कौन कौन से count नहीं होंगे. In the same line, there will be 4 white and 4 black. So horizontally 4 black are gone and vertically 4 black are gone. So there are 8 black boxes gone. Is the answer and approach clear to you? Just multiply and check. I have not verified options. 32 into 24, 768. Yes. Digit match करके answer आ गया अपना. Guys, confirmation on this? Done. Now, sum of all possible numbers has recently been asked. Like, what is the sum of all possible 4-digit numbers which are created using 1124? Or what is the average of all 4-digit numbers which can be created using 1124? Such questions have been seen in 2023 and 2021. Numbers को repeat करना allow करके sum मांग लिया. So I will show you the derivation of the approach so that you could apply this in future. So first I'm focusing on non-repeating. Non-repeating. If I give you digits, I'm avoiding 0 deliberately, observe. If I give you 1, 2, 3, and 4, what is sum of all possible numbers that can be created with 1, 2, 3, 4? So let me create a small example. Let us say 1, 2, 3 is there. 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. So with these numbers, I can create 6 possibilities. मेरे को सबको add करना है. So do you observe here? In the last place, 1 is available 2 times, 2 is available 2 times and 3 is available 2 times. ये कौन सा place है? Ones place. Now when I add this 2 and 3, I am not adding 2 and 3, I am adding 20 and 30. When I add this 3 and this 1, I am adding 30 and 10. So please observe, 1 is available how many times? 2 times. मैं derivation सिखाऊंगा, don't worry. 2 is available again 2 times. 3 is available 2 times. अब इसका positioning कौन सा है? It is tens place. अब देखो 1 आगे अवेलेबल है, ये 100 plus 100, 200 plus 200, 300 plus 300. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 is available 2 times, which is 100th position. So what is common in all? Twice of 1 plus 2 plus 3. क्या बच गया? अंदर में 100 plus 10 plus 1. इसको ऐड करने का अपने को. So does it look like 2 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 into 1 1 1? तो ये यूनिवर्सल अप्रोच है. ये 2 कहां से? I'll explain that to you. Observe. Out of these 4 numbers, if I fix this one here, मैं इसको fix कर दिया. In how many ways can I arrange the others? I can arrange the others in 3 factorial ways. तो 1 की एंडिंग वाले 6 नंबर होंगे, तो 2 की एंडिंग वाले 6 नंबर होंगे, 3 की एंडिंग वाले 6 नंबर होंगे, एंड सो ऑन सो ऑन. तो देखो ये बाहर आ जाता है 3 फैक्टोरियल इनटू 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. 4 डिजिट नंबर है, 1 1 1 1. ये आपका आंसर है. If 0 is not there, 0 is not there, तो क्या लिख देना है? If there are n digits and you want that many digit number, n digit number आपको चाहिए विदाउट जीरो. अगर ऐसा है विदाउट जीरो, तो आपका आंसर आ जाएगा n minus 1 फैक्टोरियल ब्रैकेट में सम ऑफ डिजिट्स और आखिरी में 1 1 1 n टाइम्स. तो ये हाईलाइट कर लो, टेक योर टाइम. दो डेरिवेशन करे मैंने आपके लिए. मैंने मैन्युअली भी करके दिखाया आपको लेफ्ट साइड में, राइट साइड में, और लेफ्ट साइड में फॉर्मूला बना के भी दिखा दिया आपको. ये 3 फैक्टोरियल क्यों आएगा? मैं 1 को यहाँ रखूंगा तो ऐसे 3 नंबर बनेंगे, मैं 1 को यहाँ रखूंगा तो भी 3 फैक्टोरियल नंबर बनेंगे ना. अब ये खाली हो गई जगह. तो एक नंबर को फिक्स करने के 3 फैक्टोरियल वेज हैं. What is the concept being covered? Sum of all possible numbers formed with given digits. Guys, confirm. इसमें डिजिट 0 होगा, रिपीट होगा. I will create examples. Don't worry, I'll show you. Look at the formula. अगर डिजिट 0 नहीं है, सब अलग अलग डिजिट हैं, n minus 1 factorial into sum of digits into 1 1 1 1 n times. 3 डिजिट नंबर था तो अंदर था 111. 4 डिजिट नंबर है तो अंदर होगा 1 1 1 4 टाइम्स. Comment done. चलो अब इसमें एक ट्विस्ट देखो, व्हाट इफ रिपीटेशन वाज अलाउड. Let me directly go for the approach. 1 2 3 4. This is a 4-digit number, repetition allowed. If I fix 1 here, 1 is in the ending place or units place. If I fix 1, this position can be occupied by any 4. This position can be occupied by any 4, any 4. There are 4 cube numbers ending with 1. So there will be 4 cube numbers ending with 2, 4 cube numbers will end with 3, 4 cube numbers will end with 4. And then by ones place, tens place, hundreds place, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. So 4 cube into, that is sum of numbers, into 1 1 1 1. If I was to create this as a formula, so you see there your 4 digits, n digits to the power n minus 1 bracket sum of digits bracket 1 1 1 1 n times. What is the condition? 0 should not be there. Digits are distinct. So how can cat trouble you now? What can cat people do to trouble you? Maybe they will make one digit same as the other and you will feel troubled. Or what they can do is they'll ask you, how many 4-digit numbers can be formed without repetition using digits 1 2 3 4 5 6 at most once? या तो आपके ऑप्शंस बढ़ा देंगे कैट वाले या डिजिट्स को रिपीट कर देंगे. तो क्योंकि आपको मैं विद डेरिवेशन दिखा रहा हूं, 1 को फिक्स करके क्या होगा, 2 को फिक्स करके क्या होगा, 3 को फिक्स करके क्या होगा, तो यू हैव द मेथड रेडी एज वेल. ये फॉर्मूला किसके लिए है? स्टैंडर्ड डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस के लिए. नॉन जीरो डिजिट्स हैं, ऑल डिस्टिंक्ट हैं, लगा दो फॉर्मूला. ये किसके? रिपीटेशन अलाउड. रिपीटेशन अलाउड. This is for repetition allowed. Complete this. Comment done. Guys, done with this? So we will pick up from problem solving tomorrow, and then we'll go for permutation, combination, formula, derivation, property, कब fail होगा, we'll cover everything tomorrow. Again, similar timing, 8 onwards.